Hi, this is Hafza Khanam from Chikkballapura, Karnataka. First of all, I want to thank respected DK Shivakumar sir to make us a member of COVID-19 warrior, and also I want to thank all the doctors and all the police officers who work to stop this COVID-19 disease. As you know, day by day in India, in our country, this corona cases are increasing. This is because people are not aware of this COVID-19 virus. They just wear a mask, put a sanitizer, but this is not the things which will make them to get away from COVID-19. Government has provided vaccination process. You know what vaccination is? Vaccination is very important, which will make us to fight against the COVID-19 virus. All the people who are 18 plus, that means adults, are requested to vaccinate themselves and also vaccinate their neighbors and all who they loved, who are their loved ones. So please get vaccinated. Vaccination is very important. This is a small message because today's children are suffering without any education system, and there are no schools, no colleges, and lockdown is increasing, and there is also a third wave coming. That's why please get vaccinated and let this COVID-19 get away from our India and let our India be free and normal as before. So I once again want to thank DK Shivakumar sir to make us aware of this COVID-19 and to tell all the people to get vaccinated. Thank you. #VaccinateKarnataka.